Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So today we're going to learn how to see your reel history on Facebook. For that, let's open our Facebook application. Go to your profile and scroll down a little bit and you will see setting and privacy option. Tap on it. Scroll down and you will find an option your time on Facebook. Tap on it. Scroll down. Tap on the see time on the first option. Then tap on the see active log. Scroll down a little and you will find group, communities, event and reel. Tap on that arrow and in the reel section when you click there you will see all the saved reel there. Now I have no reel saved, so it's not showing right now. And when you go back you can also see the audios of the reel that you have been saved. Just click on it and for me it's nothing. So if you have saved any audio, then it will be visible right here. So that's all for today folks. So if you like this informative video, make sure to leave a like, comment, share and subscribe for more.